Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how to consolidate three tabs with the same schema. Okay, so first we need the sheet names. We're going to get this formula from the internet. We're going to go to Formula Name Manager and we're going to create this right here, and this is going to be, we're going to paste the formula here and we're going to use the index, yep, and sheet name, and then this one right here. There we go. And then we have sheet A, B, and C. Okay, now we're gonna put a 1 here, and okay, now we need to determine what is the length of each of this. So for that we're gonna use indirect, and our reference is gonna be double quotes, single quote, this sheet name, and then we're gonna put another quote, single quote, and it's gonna be exclamation mark B3, and we're gonna close this. B3 starts here, right? Okay, and then this, we're gonna put an offset to know the length. So our row is gonna stay there, column's gonna stay there, and the height we can put 1000. It spills over. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. We're gonna put this into count A. Can close this up, and all of this should have 5 values. Let's take a look at C. Okay, C has 6 values. B. Okay, it seems like we had it duplicated. All of them have 5 values. Now we need to do a list of all the rows and their names. So we're gonna start with 1 here, and then we're gonna do the 1 plus the previous one. There we go, all the way to 1 up right here. Once we have that, we're gonna use this formula right here. So we're gonna do an index. We're looking for the sheet name, press F4, and we're gonna match it to a row. The first value 1 here is gonna be matched to this right here. We're gonna press F4. There we go, and it's gonna be less than match. We're gonna close this index A. We're gonna drag it all the way down, and we should have 15 values here. There we go. Just a simple if error, please return a blank, and then we can have it all the way down here. This is gonna be sheet name, and this is gonna be record number, record. We're just gonna do a simple formula. If this equals this, then this plus 1, else this, else 1. There we go. Okay, and we're gonna close this up if this equals blank and blank, else this right here. That way we get rid of these values right here. Okay, and now this part right here, we're gonna use the address. So address, the row number we're looking for is this one right here. the column number. Okay, let's see. Let's take this right here. This is what we want to bring. So the ID, this is going to be row 3, column 2. So we're going to do address. The row number is going to be this plus 2 because we want to start at row 3. And the column number is going to be 2. We want this to be relative, style A1, and the sheet name is going to be this one right here. Okay, once we have that, we can put it in an indirect. Okay, and we can drag this down. Oof, perfect. Company. Now let's do the same. And wait, let's put a helper here. 1, 2, 3. Let's make this the column identifier. That was 2, so 1 plus helper right here. Okay, we need to lock that. So let's lock this column. We go, and let's lock this row. There we go. And now let's drag this down. Drag it across. Let's see. Okay, yeah, we also have to lock this column as well. 1, 2, 3. There we go. We can drag it down. Now we could drag it across, and we could drag this down. And there we have all the different values. We can check 15.0.220. That should be the last one. 15.0.220. B 10J22. B 10J2020. Sorry. And then A is 1 to 5. E 2020. E 2020. And there we go. Beautiful.